This is tutorial number 56, and it covers how to do a basic removed multi-section solid within CATIA V5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 56, which is located on the DVD. Now the removed multi-section solid is located on the side here in the toolbar, or you can go to Insert, Sketch-Based Feature, and you can find it right there. Now, this works, again, exactly the same as the other one. So the multi-section solid creates a solid. The removed is exactly the opposite. It will remove it from a solid. So in this tutorial, I'm going to do a basic one. And just like the other one, the basic one was just two sketches and kind of putting them together. This one's the same idea, except I'm not going to do two reference planes. We're just going to use the two faces as the reference planes. So to start off, let's click this face here. Click Sketch, and let's draw a circle in the top left corner here. And let's go out, and let's go on the other side here. Click Sketch, and let's draw a circle on the bottom left corner here. And let's go back up. And what we're going to do is we're going to connect these guys, and they're going to cut out from this solid. So we'll click the removed multi-section, click one profile, click the other, click preview, and you can see that we have a problem. So let's flip the arrow, click preview, click OK, and it goes right through. So again, just like the other one, you have to play around with the arrows. For some reason, it works sometimes it doesn't work, so you're just going to have to play around with it like I did there. And we've cut a multi-section right through. Now let's change the size of these sketches. So let's open it up and let's double click on sketch 2. And let's make the size of this one here. Let's make it 50. Click OK. And let's let everything rebuild. And you can see how the multi-section works there, and it rebuilds. Now let's double click on sketch 2 again. And let's grab the circle, and this time let's move it down to the bottom left here. We'll go back up and let it rebuild. And again, the multi-section goes right through there. So again, it works because we have those two planes, the two sketches, sketch profiles, and then they just come together. Now let's change these sketches. So let's double click on this sketch. We'll delete it, and we'll make a square on this side. Go back. You're going to get a problem. Just click close. Double click on this sketch here, delete it, and just make a thin rectangle. Go back up, and the two will come together. And again, you can see that it doesn't have to be just a circle, it can be a square, and they are coming together. And a good rule of thumb when you're doing these is whatever your polygon may look like, the number of edges and points should always be the same on both sides. So the square's got 4 points, and the rectangle's got 4 points, so it's good to put those guys together. It's a lot easier to do that than to put it on a circle. So like you've seen, they don't really go together at all. So that's how to use the removed multi-section solid. So again, we have the two profiles, and we're able to extract those two profiles out from a solid part. And that concludes our tutorial on the basic removed multi-section solid within CATIA V5.